how to discover your hidden passion with these 6 easy steps. If you want to, panoorin mo ito. Hello everyone! Kamusta kayo? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Fred Jumampo and I'm passionate about helping people live their best lives. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important, yet often overlooked. Discovering your passion. Marami sa atin ang naghahanap ng tunay na kaligayahan at fulfillment sa buhay. Pero minsan, parang mahirap itong mahanap. Kung nahihirapan ka pang matuklasan ang iyong tunay na passion, hindi ka nag-iisa. Maraming tao ang nasa parehong sitwasyon mo. Kaya naman, I'm here to guide you through 6 simple yet powerful steps that can help you uncover what truly excites you. Whether you're just starting out or feeling a bit lost, these tips are designed to light up your path. So if you're ready to transform your life and find what makes your heart race, then keep watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more inspirational content. Let's get started! First things first, pay attention to what you spend your time and money on. Ano ba yung mga bagay na ginugugulan mo ng oras at pera? Madalas, di natin napapansin na dito na pala natin inilalagay ang ating mga interes. Look at your hobbies, yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo ng libre at kusa. Next, reflect on your strengths and skills. Ano ba yung mga bagay na magaling ka? Kung saan ka humuhusay? Lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang talento at kakayahan. Reflect on your accomplishments and the feedback you've received from others. Sometimes our strength point us directly to our passions. Third, step outside your comfort zone. Minsan, ang passion natin ay hindi natatagpuan sa mga bagay na hindi pa natin nasusubukan. Don't be afraid to try new things. Lumabas ka sa iyong comfort zone at baka doon mo matuklasan ang mga bagay na talagang magpapasaya sa iyo. Embrace new experiences dahil dito ka matututo at mag-grow. Talk to inspiring people. Pakipag-usap ka sa mga tao na nagbibigay sa iyo ng inspiration. Ask them about their journey and how they discovered their passions. Madalas, ang kwento ng iba ay maaaring magbigay ng insight sa sarili mong paglalakbay. Surround yourself with positive and motivated individuals dahil ang kanilang enerhiya ay magpapaalab din sa iyo. Keep a journal. Sumulat ka. Record your thoughts, experience, and feelings. Minsan, through writing, mas nagiging malinaw sa atin ang ating mga iniisip at nararamdaman. A journey is a great tool for self-reflection and discovery. Write down your dreams, your goals, and the things that excite you. Balikan mo ito at makikita mo ang progress mo. Finally, embrace the process. Finding your passion is a journey, hindi ito isang destinasyon. Don't rush it. Enjoy every step, learn from every experience, and be patient with yourself. Embrace the process dahil dito mo makikita ang tunay na growth and fulfillment. Remember, discovering your passion is not a race. It's a journey that is uniquely yours. Pay attention to what you spend your time and money on. Reflect on your strengths and skills. Step outside your comfort zone. Talk to inspiring people. Keep a journal. And most importantly, embrace the process. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found value in today's discussion on discovering your passion. Remember, this journey is about exploration, and self-discovery. Take these steps with an open heart and mind, and trust that you're moving closer to what truly excites you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment below to share your thoughts or any steps you're taking towards discovering your passion. And don't forget to share this video with friends who might benefit from it. Together, let's inspire more people to live passionately. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can never miss an update on new content. Thank you again for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep pursuing what lights up your soul. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay!